I want to show you how to use this website called Suno. Suno is an AI site that lets you create custom songs just from some keywords or about a sentence, and then you also pick the style or mood of the music. So it's free to use, so you can go to suno.com, click the sign in button at the bottom, and then you can just use the sign in with Google button and use your Google account to sign in. So what you'll do is over here on the left you'll click the create button, and this is basically where you build your song, and it's just as easy as typing in what you want your song to be about and then what is the style of the song. So one thing you need to remember or keep in mind is when you choose your style, you cannot use an artist's name. Like if you want something in the style of Taylor Swift, it will throw an error message, but you can put in there that you want the song in the style of, and however you want to describe what Taylor Swift music sounds like. So I'll show you this example here. So what we're going to do is we're going to I want to create a song about life in a covered wagon on the Oregon Trail, in the style of, we'll do bluegrass. Okay, and that's all. And we're limited to 200 characters also, so you got to be pretty specific on what you want. And then what you do is you click create, and then it will create 2 songs for you. On a normal free plan, you get 50 credits a day, but it's going to use, I believe it's 20 credits. I believe it's 10 credits a song, so it's going to use 20 credits each time you click create. So keep that in mind too. You can also sign up for the Suno teacher program, where you can get a lot more credits, and you can see here I have over 5,000 credits. But it creates 2 versions of the same song, names them the same. The lyrics are the same. They're just the style is just a little bit different. So to listen to it, you just click on the name of the song. Here are the lyrics. It generates a cover image for you, and it's an acoustic, lively bluegrass. That's what the style of the music, and you can click the play button right here.
Dusty trails every day, mountains high, skies are gray, wagons roll up and sway, heading out to find our way.
So you can listen to that, and it's a full song, anywhere from 2.5 to 3 minutes, or maybe longer. You can click the back button or go back to the library. The library is where all of your saved songs are going to be. So you'll see this little pink dot. This is the one we didn't listen to. So if we click on this one, and the lyrics are over here on the right, you could tell it was just slightly different. The music was just a little bit different than the other one. So when you have these done, a couple things. These are going to be private. You can make them public, and then they go out into the Explorer and on your homepage. People will be able to find them if they're public. You can also copy a link to the song and share it, so anyone with the link can listen to it. You will also be able to download the MP3 or the MP4 video of that song, And if you don't like it, you can also just move it to the trash. The other features that Suno has. Let me come back here. Let's open up. We'll click on this one and open it up. You can also vote for songs if you like them. But if you click on these three dots here when you're in this view, you click on reuse prompt. What that does is it basically turns on what's called custom mode, and you can see that up here. It puts in the lyrics, but then you can change the style of music. So instead of the acoustic lively bluegrass, let's make this 1980s death metal instead. You can change the title. When I do this, I always put in here what the style of music is, just so I know which one it is. Or you can change the title completely. You can click create, and it's going to make two more. And so we have two versions of this, and this is in the kind of the 80s style death metal, rock and roll, with the same lyrics as the bluegrass song. Okay, so you can reuse the lyrics, and then even though it's called prompt, it's not necessarily the prompt that we use, but it's reusing the lyrics. Editing the details, you can just change the title, and then you can make it private or public, and then again you can download the audio and the video if you want. The rest of the features in Suno is the Explore button. The Explore page is a page that has all of these different kinds of types of music, and what you can do is you can click on it and you'll be able to hear a sample of what that sounds like. Also, you can click on the little button that looks like a die here, and it will just take you to a random music style. And then also there are 5 examples at the bottom, and that's what those dots here are. So if you find something that you like we can use P-Funk. We could go back to our library. We can change this, reuse the lyrics, but change this to P-Funk instead. And it'll generate 2 more songs with that style. And then finally is the search option. The search option allows you to search for songs, playlists, or users. And it puts the most popular songs at the top. So you can kind of see what's out here in these, and these are all public. And you can also see how many views or clicks these songs have. So if you make yours public, people would be able to search for them, or they can search for you by user and see what your public songs are. But so that's how you use the Suno website to create custom songs, just with some keywords or a sentence. It's a great way to make custom songs for a lesson, for your classroom. Working with some teachers, we created songs So like I created some songs, um, since I work a lot on the IT side, turning off and on your computer in the style of, this is rockabilly, so this would be like Johnny Cash, Elvis type song about turning your computer on and off if you're having problems. So you can make some fun songs like this. Also, I worked with some preschool teachers, so we made a song about brushing your teeth in a playful nursery rhyme style. So there's a lot of different ways that you could use this in a classroom. But that's Suno.com. It's a site that you can use AI to create songs just based off of keywords, and then you tell it what style of song or what the style of music that you want.